Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Banaberly Mara Cahalne, 27 years old, with live-in partner. I have one son and 4 years old, high school level.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family and my son needs in the future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, sir. From Kuwait, 2 years and 2 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Cleaning, wash the clothes and dishes, ironing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Child, 8 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a child?
Sometimes play, bathing.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I willing to cook Chinese food and I know how to care the dog and cat, birds.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Necessary, a good domestic helper, loyal, honest, flexible, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, Mom and Sir, please choose me because I'm loyal, honest, flexible, and hardworking. Thank you.